Hey guys, my name is PK, and on this video I'm here to show you how you can travel by tram, train or trams in the city of Melbourne. So the one thing you have to remember, you need one of those cards here. So as you can see, they are called Myki. You can purchase it online or you can purchase it on any train station. Once you purchase one of them, you can have to top it up with some money. You can have what we call Myki money, or you can have what we call Myki plan. So the Myki plan allows you to pay amount of money where you can use it for the next either a week or a month, depending on how much you need it for or you want to. Myki money, you can use it every time that you use the card, and you get discounted on your Myki card, whatever money or amount of money you have in it. So one thing to remember, if you are in a CBD, which is where I am right now, you do not have to tape in your Myki card, because inside the CBD, which is this area here, you don't need it. All you need to do is get onto the tram and ride. But once you are outside the CBD area, you must have a valid Myki card taped on. So when you go onto the train, you tape on, and when you leave the train, you tape off. I will show you once we get into Flinders Street how to tape on and off. Now I'm inside the CBD area and I'm about to catch this tram here. I do not need to tape on. All I need to do is to get on. And take a seat. Once I get off and I have to be on an area that is I have to be taped on, I will tape my card on. I'll see you when we get to Flinders Street. By the way, I enjoy a bit of a view of the city of Melbourne.
You're travelling beyond the free tram zone. Touch on your Myki number to ensure you have a valid ticket.
As you heard, the free train zone ends in about 3 stations. We're gonna be getting off before that, and then I'll show you how we tape it on and off. So I just arrived here at Flinders Street Station in the city of Melbourne, and I will show you how to use this train system. It does look a little bit daunting and scary, but it's not really once you do it a couple of times, so you'll be fine. So opposite me, that's the Federation Square right here, but on this side, it's where the Flinders Street Station is. So this is sort of the end of it. It goes all the way there. That's that beautiful building where you have the green top, and we're gonna walk together. You're walking together with me, and we're gonna go and check it out. So I have my Myki card all loaded, so I put money in and it's ready to go. As soon as I get there, I can just finally pretty much go in. So remember, if you don't have a valid card, those blocks here, oh right. So these guys over there, that I'll record it a bit when we get a bit closer, they will ask you for one, and if you do not have one, you're gonna have to pay a big fine. And if you're not a resident, not just a fine, you might get your visa cancelled, or you're gonna have not be able to renew it. So make sure you get your ticket, your Myki card, and you are not driving black. All right, so that's the Flinders Street Station just over there. And those guys stay in black, and girls, they're the one that we're gonna ask you. Yet? Well, now that we are here, I'll come and I'll show you how to use it. Come with me. As you can see here, if you put your card here, it's gonna tell you how much money you have on it. In this case, I've got $8.42, and the balance says that it's low. You don't have to top it up, you can top it up, but I don't have to top it up right now because I don't need more than that to get to my destination. So what you do is, whenever is a green arrow, that's where you can tap your card here. Wherever is a red arrow, you do not tape your card tape because it's people coming out, and green is for people going in. And I'll show you how it works. Just tape it, the door's open, and you walk in. So this is where all the destinations are. And I will do this in a different video. If you need to find out where your destination is, it's easier to ask those guys over there in orange. They will be more than welcome to help you to go to your destination. Right now, we got to rush to platform 10 to catch our train. Excuse me. Platform 10. So this is platform 10, that's where we're gonna go to. And I've got 2 minutes to get down there and catch the train. We're going towards Werribee. We can walk. We got heaps of time, don't have to run. So just in time, my train is arriving and we're gonna go and get into the train. Come with me. And that's how you catch a train from Melbourne CBD to your destination. When you arrive to my destination, I'll show you how to get off. So when you are on a train or trams of Melbourne, Victoria, you will get the announcer calling out the names of the station as they come. So they're always going to tell you the name of the train coming next, give you enough time to collect your belongings without leaving anything behind, so you can have enough time to get up, get ready, be next to the train door and get off safely. There is also this map over here which shows you the stations and the next stations coming up. So this way you can always know when the next station, how close you are to your next station you need to get off. I will talk to you when my station is about to come up. I better get ready and collect all my belongings. So now that I have arrived at my station, the first thing I'm gonna do is collect my bag here and walk down the door once the train stops, and I'll show you what button to press. Record you opening the door. Yeah, that's and Here I am. I am off the train station, off the train. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to walk this way towards the exit, and I'll show you how to tape off your Myki card. Come with me. So once you get out here, you're gonna find these readers, and all you need to do, it doesn't matter if it's that way or that way, just put your Myki card on top of that. It's gonna make the sound, and it's also gonna say that it is okay to go. And once you walk out of here, you have finalized your trip from the CBD to your location or your destination. I hope this video has been helpful, and if it has, please give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel for more and better videos. Until the next one, I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.